Friends, this is Neha Sharma. Today in this video, we are going to start the next topic of grammar, which is named as pronouns. So let's know what the pronouns are and how they are helpful to us in grammar. So let me tell you, a pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun to avoid repetition of nouns, right? In our last videos we have done the nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the names of the persons, things and places, etc. So the pronoun is which word which is used to replace the noun, so that there would be no repetition in the paragraph or in a sentence which you are in the sentences which you are writing. Here I have written pronouns are nouns in disguise, means the appearance is different, right? So pronouns are nouns in disguise. Let's see some examples here. I have done Ram is my classmate. In second sentence also, suppose I am writing a paragraph on Ram. So Ram is my classmate. Ram lives in my neighborhood. Ram is my best friend too. Ram helps me in studies. So what is the thing which is common here? When we are talking about the pronouns, so those are the replacing words of the nouns. So what is the noun which I am talking about here? That is Ram, right? So Ram is what? Noun. But if I will repeat this Ram, Ram, Ram again and again the sentence, so that is what? That will not look good. So this word Ram I will replace with he. So Ram, this he is the replacing word of Ram. So he will work as a pronoun for the noun Ram. So that's what? That is pronoun. Once again I have written here Ram. So once again I will write down Ram, at the place of Ram I will write down he. So he is again the pronoun for noun Ram. That he is replacing Ram here. So I will not write down Ram, Ram and Ram again. I will write down he here. Okay. So that is called as pronoun. For example, if I am taking the name of any girl, for example, I am writing Sheena. So Sheena is what? Sheena is the name of girl. So at the place of Sheena, I will not repeat the Sheena, Sheena, Sheena again and again. What I will do here? I will do she. So this is what? Pronoun for the noun Sheena. So this is what? Pronoun. So this is all about the pronouns which we have done, the replacing words to avoid the repetition of the nouns. Let's know about the kinds of pronouns. First kind of pronoun is personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. Third is demonstrative pronoun. Fourth, interrogative pronoun. Fifth is distributive pronoun. Sixth is reflexive pronoun. Seventh is emphatic pronoun. Eighth is relative pronoun. Ninth is indefinite pronoun. And 10th one is reciprocal pronouns. So students, some of the names you must have heard in the last videos also when we have done adjectives too. So I want to tell you the same names you have heard were in the adjectives videos too. So that is what possessive we have done, because possessive we have adjectives too and pronouns too. Demonstrative we have done, interrogative we have done, distributive we have done, and this much, and one more, indefinite also we have done. So that we have done for adjectives also. But here we have these same names are given to the pronouns too. But the position of the pronouns and the adjectives are different. So I will tell you first what is the position of the pronouns and what is the difference between the position of the pronouns and the position of the adjectives. To do the difference between pronouns and adjectives. I have written here two sentences, two sets of sentences, okay, in each bracket. So let's see the sentences and we will differentiate between pronouns and adjectives here. This is my favorite book. This book is very interesting. Let's see the role of this here and here. So one thing I've told you, when we have done adjectives, you can check that in that video, that if the words which are adjectives, after that if noun is there, so those words are working as adjectives in that sentence. Here also see the second one first, because we have covered adjectives. So here book is there, and book is what? Noun, right? And the word before noun is known as what? Adjective. Clear? In this sentence, first one, this is my favorite book. So here after this there is word is, which is a helping word, right? So when the words like helping verbs and the main verbs are there, so these words are known as pronouns. That's only the difference which you have to do in your classes, right? In the second sentence, whose house is this? So house is what? Noun, and here it will work as an adjective. Clear? And here in second sentence, whose, after that there is helping verb. This is what? Helping verb, or verb you may say. So if there is helping verb or verb is there, so what the word will act as? Here this will act as an pronoun. That's only the difference, and that's very simple. Now let's discuss about first two kinds of the pronouns. Let's say about the personal pronoun first. So the personal pronouns are the words which replace the names of persons or the things. For example, Mohit is a new student, right? So Mohit is the name of a person here, and when I will reuse that Mohit, I will not use Mohit here. What I will do here? He. So this he will work as a pronoun here. So he is very intelligent. Clear? So Mohit was noun and he is pronoun. So the words which replace the names of the persons or the things. Second example, I have bought a beautiful dress. So dress is what here? This is noun. And now I have done it is of red color. So this word it is what? This is pronoun. So these are personal pronouns. These personal pronouns are divided into three categories: first person, second person, and third person. So we used to take I and we as first person, you as second person, he, she, it, they, etc. as third person. This you have to keep in mind. Now let's see the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are the words which show possession or ownership. Let's see in these examples. The book lying there is mine. So which word is telling the possession? The book is noun, but before that there is the, so that is not pronoun. And is there, and mine word is showing the possession, the ownership. So mine is what here? Pronoun. And what is the kind of that mine pronoun is? Possessive pronoun. This house is not yours but mine. Now here this word is there, but that is not acting as a pronoun, because after that there is a noun. So is not yours. Yours is showing the possession here, and the pronoun, possessive pronoun, and mine is also working as the possessive pronoun. Those flowers on the table are hers. Now those, after that nouns are there, the noun is there, so that will not work as a pronoun. On the table are hers. Hers is telling us the possession, so this is what? Pronoun here. So like this you will find the pronouns in the sentences. That's all for today. In our next video, we will deal with the another kinds.